Let's use this simple formula to calculate this. A junior high school entrance exam here in Japan. Focusing on the same parts. Separating 1000 from the numbers. 1000 times 1000. 1000 times 572. 1000 times 428. This product is cancelled out. Here is 1000. It's done. Move on to factorization. Let's find the common factor and how many they are. Let's factor this. Look for the common factor and how many they are. 48. How about this? It is 15, 15, and it is single 15. Totally 16 15s. Once again, how many 31s are there? 1 plus 31. This is also from a junior high admission exam. Only this number is common, and the number of the common factor. This addition made a new common factor. And the number of it is 10. Another junior high exam. There is no common factor, so let's forge it. Adding 1 times 576 and subtracting it for correction. Then subtract 1 times 123 plus 123. Now we have 1382. And the rest. 382,000 minus 453. Then 1 down just, giving 990.10. Also from a high school entrance exam. How many 876s are there? There are 1 plus 876. Then how many 877s are there? There are 876 plus 1. It's 877. Let's expand this expression with this format. Like left times left, in times in, ignoring x, then out times out, then the sum times x, then right times right. Once again, for a number, like left left, right right, in, out out, placing the sum at the center. It's done. Once again, left left, in, out out, and the sum. Then write right. We'll use this property later. Next formula. The product has a common added part. Let's use this format. To expand this, like the common squared, sum 10 times the common, and the product of uncommons. Once again, 5 squared, 2 times 8, and the sum 10 times 5, 50 10, as in video 5. Once again, 5 squared, sum 10 times 5, 50, and 2 times 8. Next formula. Let me call A plus B and A minus B a hinge pair. This is hinge product. The sum times the common disappears. Let's expand this. Left squared, negative right squared. You can omit the center. How about this hinge product? 5 squared, negative 2 squared. Then 1 down just. It was originally 48. What about the far hinge? 5 squared, double 0, negative 2 squared. Then 1 down just, giving 9900 9010. It was originally 498. From a high school entrance exam, you can find a hinge product. Also here, 20 squared, negative 4, 20 squared again, and negative 1. Then 4 squared, 16 10,000. Then sum negative 5 times 4, negative 20, 100. Neg 4 times neg 1 times 2 with 0. 20 minus 4. Next formula. It's originally A plus B times A plus B, making AB twice. When you expand this, left squared, 2 times left right, and right squared. Once again, 4 squared, 9 squared, 2 times 4 times 9. This is what we practiced in video 5. Once again, 5 squared, neg 1 squared is positive. 2 times 5 times neg 1, negative 10. 5 minus 1 makes the same result. How about 449? 4 squared, 2 times 4 times 9, and 9 squared. From a high school entrance exam, there are two same numbers. 3 minus 1. Common factor 2. This part is a plus b squared. 1000 squared. The last formula, a plus b plus c times a plus b plus c. A squared b squared c squared. 2ab 2bc 2ca. With this format, let's expand this. Like a squared b squared c squared. 2ab 2bc 2ac. 46x squared. We did this calculation with this format. Like 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared. 234, 245, 235. As in video 5. When b is 0, these parts become 0, leaving only 352. When c is 0, these parts disappear, leaving only 34 squared. With double O on the right. Okay, let's move on to the drill. Today's video is for preparation for a polynomial operation. You can practice it in video 17, 23, and 25. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.